Today I want to share a story that absolutely touched my heart. It's a true story about a young person who faced some serious challenges and overcame them in the most inspiring way. Out of respect for her privacy, I'll share the story with some of the specifics left out, but the core message remains as powerful. It's a testament to the strength of the human spirit. Before we begin, let's define what resilience is. In the simplest terms, resilience is all about bouncing back after life throws you a curveball. It's the ability to deal with difficult situations and keep going, even when things feel tough. It's also important to point out that while some people may have a natural inclination towards resilience, resilience is a skill that can be developed and strengthened throughout life. Imagine being a kid and losing your dad, then having your mom leave too. That's exactly what happened to this amazing girl. But guess what? She didn't give up. Her incredible grandparents took her and her brother in, and that's where things get really inspiring. See, her grandparents owned a food stall, and this girl wasn't just content to sit around. She started helping out, learning all the recipes and cooking techniques, you name it. Oh, and did I mention she's only 12? Incredible, right? Let's review the 5 resilience habits she demonstrated that we can learn and apply in our own lives. Adaptability. This young girl had to adjust to a whole new life situation. She adapted by finding a way to contribute at the family stall. Strength. Losing both parents at such a young age, that takes incredible inner strength. But she didn't let it break her. She found her strength in helping her family and learning this amazing skill. Positive outlook. Even though things were tough, this girl clearly had a positive outlook. She focused on what she could control, learning to cook and contribute. That positive energy is what fuels resilience. Problem solver. Life threw some curveballs at her, but instead of letting them win, she found a solution. She learned to cook, mastered the recipes, and became a vital part of the family business. Support network. Let's not forget her grandparents. They became her rock, providing love, support, and guidance. Having a strong support system is crucial for building resilience, and this girl had the best. This young chef is now a master, well known and respected in her local community, city, country, and the world. People travel from all over to try her food, and her cooking videos online are super popular. And even though she has received many offers for donations from her supporters, she refuses them. She believes in earning her keep, which demonstrates her strong work ethic and confidence in herself. Even when faced with hardship, she didn't give up. She adapted, found her strength, stayed positive, solved problems, and leaned on her family. And guess what? She's thriving. So next time you face a challenge, remember this amazing girl and all she's accomplished. You too have the power to bounce back, just like her. Before we recap the resilience habits we just covered, let's huddle up. We've all been there. You're working on a new habit and suddenly life throws a curveball. Maybe you miss a workout or that healthy snack gets swapped for a slice of cake. But here's the thing, a little slip up doesn't mean we're off the rails. Think of it like this, building a habit is a journey, not a destination. There will be bumps along the road, but the important thing is to keep moving forward. These types of minor setbacks happen. We're human after all, and sometimes things don't go according to plan. The key to resilience is learning to adjust and get back on track. What's your favorite way to get back on track with your habits after a minor setback? Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more habit hacks. Until next time, keep rocking those positive habits for lifelong success.